Today, we're about to embark on a journey into the world of frugality, a lifestyle that's all about getting the maximum value out of every penny. But don't worry, this isn't about sacrificing your favorite things or living a bare-bones existence. No, this is about smart choices, clever hacks, and a little creative thinking. We've got 10 extremely frugal hacks lined up for you. These aren't just tips, these are life-changing strategies that will help you save money while enjoying a quality lifestyle. So, are you ready to change the way you look at your finances? A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and that step is setting financial goals. Now, why do we emphasize this point? It's because setting financial goals gives you a clear target to strive for. It's like setting the GPS for your financial journey. Just as you wouldn't embark on a road trip without knowing your destination, you shouldn't embark on your financial journey without a clear goal in mind. Whether you're looking to save for a down payment on a house, for your retirement, or to pay off debt, having a clear financial goal will keep you focused and motivated. It will help you assess where your money is going and determine what changes you need to make to reach your desired destination. It's not just about making more money, but also about using what you have wisely. So take the time to set your financial goals. It's the first step towards financial freedom and frugality. Cooking at home can be a game changer for your budget. This isn't just about swapping takeaway pizzas for homemade salads. It's about being strategic with your time and resources. Imagine a scenario where you only cook once or twice a week, yet you always have a hearty meal ready when hunger strikes. That's the magic of batch cooking. Batch cooking is essentially making larger quantities of food at once, then freezing it in individual portions. You save money by buying in bulk and reducing waste. Plus, you save time in the kitchen, and who doesn't love a bit of extra time? Freezing meals isn't just for leftovers either. You can freeze everything from soups and casseroles to burritos and pasta dishes. Just remember to let your food cool before you freeze it, and always label your containers with the date. Batch cooking and freezing meals is a smart, frugal hack that can make a significant difference to your budget and lifestyle. So, why not try batch cooking this week? Do you know how much you can save by making your coffee at home? Let's break it down. Consider your daily cup of joe from your favorite cafe. It might cost around $4, right? Now, multiply that by 7. That's $28 a week, just for coffee. Over a month, that's around $112. But what if you start making coffee at home? A bag of quality coffee beans might cost you around $10 to $15, and it could last you for a month. Add in the cost of milk, sugar, and electricity, you're still looking at a fraction of the cost of cafe coffee. The best part is, you can customize it to your liking. Want it stronger? No problem. Prefer it with a hint of cinnamon? Go ahead. The possibilities are endless. So, why not give it a try? Invest in a good coffee maker and start your coffee brewing journey. Brand names are not always synonymous with quality. We're often led to believe that brand names equate to higher quality, but that's not always the case. In fact, many generic brands are manufactured by the same companies that produce the name brands we know and love. They use the same ingredients, the same processes, but simply package the product under a different, less flashy name. And here's the real kicker. These generic brands typically cost significantly less than their name brand counterparts. Why? Because they don't have the high marketing and advertising costs that name brands do. This means that by choosing generic, you're getting the same quality, but at a fraction of the price. It's a simple switch, but one that can lead to substantial savings over time. So, next time you're strolling down the supermarket aisle, don't just reach for the familiar name brands. Instead, give generic brands a chance. Buying in bulk can save you a lot of money. Picture this. You're at the supermarket and you're faced with two options. You could buy one roll of toilet paper for $1 or a pack of 10 for $7. It's tempting to go for the single roll to save money in the short term, but let's do the math. Buying 10 individual rolls would cost you $10, but the bulk pack is only $7. That's a savings of $3 or 30%. And it's not just about saving money. Buying in bulk also reduces waste. Instead of 10 plastic wrappers, you only have one. It's a small change, but if we all made it, the impact would be enormous. Let's not forget, bulk buying isn't just for household items. You can buy food, drinks, and even clothes in bulk. The key is to buy what you need and will use, not just what's on sale. Your electricity bill can be a money-draining monster, but there's a solution. Ever noticed how some light bulbs just seem to burn out too quickly? or how they seem to attract moths like a beacon. It's time to say goodbye to those energy guzzlers and hello to energy-efficient bulbs. These little marvels are designed to provide the same amount of light while using less energy. Imagine this: a traditional bulb uses about 60 watts of power, while an energy-efficient bulb uses only 14 watts to produce the same amount of light. That's less than a quarter of the energy. But the benefits don't stop at energy savings. These bulbs also last longer, so you'll be buying and replacing them less frequently. It's like putting money back into your pocket. And the best part, you're not just saving money, you're also helping the environment by reducing energy consumption. It's a win-win situation. Who said you can't shop and save money at the same time? Let's debunk this myth right now. One of the easiest ways to save money while still feeding your shopping urge is to shop off-season. Here's the trick of the trade. When the demand for certain items is low, retailers often slash prices to clear their inventory. This happens particularly with seasonal items. Consider winter clothing, for instance. Come spring, stores are eager to make room for lighter wears, and that's when you can score some major deals on those cozy coats and boots. The same principle applies to just about anything, from BBQ grills in the winter to air conditioners in the fall. Sure, it might feel a bit odd to buy a swimsuit in December or a snowblower in July, but your wallet will thank you for it. Embrace the thrill of the hunt and the satisfaction of a bargain well found. Planning is key to saving, and it's true for your meals too. Imagine this: instead of scrambling to decide what to eat every day, you have a well thought out plan. Sounds relaxing, right? But that's not all. Creating a meal plan is like creating a roadmap for your wallet and your waistline. Firstly, meal planning helps you save money. How? When you plan your meals, you're less likely to buy takeout or impulse buy at the grocery store. You're buying only what you need, not what catches your eye. Secondly, it reduces waste. Ever bought fresh produce only to find it rotting at the back of your fridge a week later? With a meal plan, you'll use everything you buy. Thirdly, it saves time. No more indecision at mealtimes. You'll know exactly what you're cooking and when. Let's make the switch to reusables. Imagine this: every reusable item you opt for is money saved and a little less waste in the world. It's a small change with a big impact. Think about your daily routine. That morning coffee you grab on the way to work. Swap it out with a reusable coffee cup. Those plastic bags from the grocery store, bring your own bags instead. And it's not just about the small stuff. Consider bigger investments like rechargeable batteries and cloth diapers. Yes, the upfront cost might be higher, but the long-term savings are substantial. Plus, you're reducing the demand for single-use items, and that's a big step towards a more sustainable world. And the best part? It's not just about saving money, it's about living a lifestyle that respects our planet. Negotiation is not just for business deals. It can help you save on your bills too. You'd be surprised how often companies are willing to negotiate if it means keeping a loyal customer. Whether it's your cable, internet, or even your gym membership, there's always room for a conversation about cost. Start by researching the competition. Understand what others are offering for similar services. This knowledge gives you leverage. When you call, be polite, yet firm. Express your satisfaction with the service, but share your concern about the cost. Mention the competitive rates you've found. Remember, the first person you speak to might not have the authority to change your bill. Don't be afraid to kindly ask for a supervisor. Persistence often pays. These conversations may not always lead to immediate savings, but they can open doors to future discounts or special promotions. So, pick up the phone and start negotiating your bills. And there you have it, 10 extremely frugal hacks that will change your life forever. Remember, being frugal isn't about denying yourself pleasures. It's about making your money work for you. So start applying these frugal hacks today and watch your savings grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing hacks.